Dear students, welcome back to online learning of subject Geography. Today we are going to study Geography chapter number 7, Soil. What is soil? The top layer of the earth's surface in which plants can grow, consisting of rock and mineral particles mixed with decayed organic matter and having the capability of retaining water. Decayed organic matter means plant and animal material and waste, dead plants and plant waste, such as leaves or bush and tree trimmings or animal manure. So we can say soil is a mixture of organic matter, minerals, gases, liquids, and organisms that together support life. Soil has four important functions. First, as a medium for plant growth. Second, as a means of water storage, supply, and purification. Third, as a modifier of Earth's atmosphere. Fourth, as a habitat for organisms. All of these functions in their turn modify the soil and its properties. So before we study about the factors that are responsible for formation of soil, let us discuss about the weathering. What is weathering? Weathering is the breaking down or dissolving of rocks and minerals on Earth's surface. Once a rock has been broken down, a process called erosion transports the bits of rock and minerals away. Water, ice, acids, salt, plants, animals, and changes in temperature are all agents of weathering. The factors that influence soil formation are the parent rock, the climate of the region, the biotic material, and the slope of the land, and time. Factors necessary for soil formation. First, parent rock. Remember that the parent rock in a region is an important factor in soil formation. Depending on the hardness of the rock and the climate of the region, the rock gets weathered. The rock turns into powdery material and which further turns into earthy material. For example, the basalt rock of the Deccan Plateau in Maharashtra turns into black soil after weathering. This soil is also referred to as rigger soil. Second, regional climate. This is also an important factor influencing soil formation. Weathering of the rock is the first step in the process of soil formation. The process of weathering depends on the climate of the region. The climate decides the intensity of weathering. That's why one and the same type of rock gives rise to different types of soil. When the rock is exposed to different climates, in the dry climate of Deccan Plateau, weathering of basalt leads to the formation of black soil, whereas in the humid climate of Western Sahyadri, the leaching of the same basalt rock leads to the formation of lateritic soil. Leaching means loss or extraction of certain materials. Third, biotic material. The weathering of rock turns them into powdery material, but this powdery material is not soil. To turn such powdery material into soil, it is necessary that biotic material gets mixed into it. The biotic material comes from decomposition of the remains of the plants and animals in that region. The vegetal litters, roots of plants, remains of animals, etc., get decomposed due to water. Microorganisms and certain other organisms helped decompose the dead remains of organic materials. The biotic material thus produced gets mixed into the soil and is called humus. If the proportion of humus in the soil is greater, the soil becomes fertile. The process of decomposition by living organism takes place continuously. Nowadays, production of vermicompost is undertaken on a large scale. Vermicompost is a method of using earthworms to transform organic waste into a nutrient-rich fertilizers. Fourth one, time. Soil formation is a natural and slow process. It needs a very long period of time. To form a 2.5 centimeter thick layer of topsoil, it takes thousands of years. From this, you may understand that soil are invaluable. In the region of high rainfall and high temperatures, the process of soil formation is faster. Comparatively, in regions of low temperatures and low rainfall, soil formation takes more time. Soil's color, texture, formation process, thickness of layers, etc. Soils are divided into five major types. First one, coarse soil. This soil type is a result of weathering and low rainfall. This soil can be found in the hilltops of western part of the plateau. For example, Ajanta, Badaghat and Mahadev hills. The proportion of humus is negligible in this soil. Rigor or black soil. It is found in the areas of medium rainfall, in the valleys and alluvial plains of river basin. Two types of this soil are found. Dark black soil is found in the western part of Deccan Plateau, while medium black soil is found in the eastern part, Vidarbha. Though it is black in color, proportion of organic components is less in the soil. Third one, laterite soil. This type of soil is found in the coastal belt of Konkan to the west of Sahyadris and in the east of Vidarbha. In areas of very heavy rainfall, the eroded rocks get washed away in a large quantity. As a result, the parent rock lies bare open. The iron in the rock reacts with the oxygen in the air and causes chemical reactions. This gives the reddish orange color to the soil which is thus formed. Fourth one, alluvial soil of coastal strip. Majority of the rivers flowing in the Konkan region are short and flow with great speed. Therefore, the alluvium brought by them gets deposited at the mouth of the rivers. This soil is found at the mouth of rivers in the western coastal strip. For example, the areas around Panvel, Uran coast, Dharamtar Creek, etc. Fifth one, yellow brown soil. These soils are found in the areas of extreme rainfall. They are not very fertile. Therefore, they are not very useful used for agriculture. They are mainly found in Chandrapur, eastern part of Bhandara and the parts of Sayadri mountains. Soil erosion. A layer of soil, top layer of soil, gets removed due to wind or water. This means that the soil gets eroded. Running water, climate, and diversity in physiography are the reasons of soil erosion. Soil degradation. The soil quality may get lowered due to certain reasons. This is called degradation of soil. To obtain a higher agriculture yield, chemical fertilizers, insecticides, weedicides, etc. are used. The excessive spraying of chemicals and use of chemical fertilizers leads to soil degradation. Excessive irrigation draws the salt from the soil upward and makes the soil saline and then unproductive. Due to excessive use of chemicals, their residue remains in the soil for many years. They become a threat to the existence of microorganisms in the soil. It leads to the lowering of humus content in the soil and the plants do not get micronutrient. If the pH of soil thus get disturbed, it is a sign of soil degradation. Soil conservation. Considering the importance of soil, it is necessary to conserve it. It is necessary to protect the fertile soil of farmlands from getting washed out due to rains. Soil conservation includes the works like construction of embankments and planting trees on them, construction of gully plugs against the steep slopes, etc. Such works are taken up by the Department of Soil Conservation. Planting trees can also control the velocity of the wind. This helps in reducing the erosion of soil by wind. The plant roots hold the soil and this also reduces the erosion of soil. Under soil conservation, the continuous contour trenches are constructed along the slopes. Construction of such trenches are different heights checks the velocity of water running along the slopes and hence reduces soil erosion. The water arrested in these trenches percolates into the ground. The government of Maharashtra has implemented the Watershed Catchment Area Development Program, under which constructing embankments along slope in rural areas, introducing continuous contour trenches along steep slopes, etc., are undertaken. This led to the success of scheme Arrest Water, Let It Percolate. This has resulted in raising the groundwater level and reducing the erosion of soil. Recently, the government has launched the scheme called Jalayukta Shivar. Under this scheme, works like construction of farm bunds, arresting water of small streams, connecting the streams, etc., are being carried out on a large scale.